One question na madalas ko talagang naririnig is, need ba mag-recruit ng tao para gawin itong digital business? And honestly, the answer is no. This business is not about chasing people, bugging friends or forcing family members to join you. Hindi ganun yung system namin. What we do here is learning digital skills, share valuable information, and position ourselves online the right way. We use an automated system that helps people connect us to people na already looking for a change, for extra income or more freedom in life. And the beautiful part in this is, people decides for themselves. If someone sees the information and feels connected to it, they can choose to learn more. And if hindi para sa kanila, okay lang din naman, walang pressure, walang pilitan. This is more about attraction marketing, not pressure marketing. You don't need to become a super salesy or pushy or tech savvy. What matters most is being willing to learn, follow the training, and take the simple daily action consistently. Beginner friendly din siya, especially for people na walang experience sa online business before, same as mine. Pero meron siyang step by step video-based training. For me, this business is more about building genuine relationship, serving people, and honestly becoming visible to the right audience. Hindi mo kailangang habulin yung tao. The right people will naturally find you kapag consistent ka na nagpapakita online. So, no, you are not required to recruit or pressure anyone. You can simply learn the process, share the information, and let people decide for themselves. And if genuinely curious ka kung paano talaga siya nag-work, feel free to message me anytime or visit my website www.dinalinhaplaska.co.uk. I'm happy to hear and share what I learned, because I believe small steps today can create a completely different future tomorrow.